Hey guys, short video today on a razor I have restored a year ago, which I have used a lot, and now it's not as sharp as it used to be. Well, when it was restored at first time, here was the edge, or the blade. It's since been fixed, however, as I said, the shave is not as smooth as it should be, so we'll do a quick restoration of the edge. You can see the blade here, it's full of oil because I always use oil after shaving. And here, that's it. In cleaning it, you can see it's a Well & Birchers Celebrated. So let's have a look at the edge. So it's not too bad, to be honest. It's looking good. However, it's not as smooth as it used to be, and I don't want it to get worse. So better tackle it right now. And to do so, I will use my Nakayama base stones, Japanese stones. I will put some tape, the Scotch 33 Plus, on the spine to protect it. There's no point scratching it. A bit of marker on the edge. So this Nakayama hasn't been lapped for quite a while, so that's a good opportunity to do so. That's it. And the first stone we're gonna use is this one, the Asano Koma. So the Koma has a grade of 10k plus. There's no point doing the whole set of stones. It's just a quick maintenance to make the edge perfectly smooth again and sharp. That's it. We've raised the slurry. It shouldn't be a process that takes long. Should be a fairly fast one if your edge is clean and there is no dents on it. Smooth. You just need to curve a little bit the wrist because there is a slight smile on it, to make sure that you're covering the whole edge. So often we have been asked, how often should I do the maintenance of the edge? Well, look, there is no exact science here. It all depends on the blade, on the way you use it, on the strop, on your beard. So it's as soon as it's not as smooth as it used to be, basically. Could be 5 months, could be 6 months, could be a year. I think for this one it was close to a year. Maybe a bit less actually, maybe 7 months. So here's the last stone I'm gonna use to raise the slurry. It's a Nakayama Kiita, and this one should have a grade around 15k. And same process, X strokes. Make sure that the edge is touching everywhere on the stone. That's it. We dry the blade. I will quickly look at the microscope and the light beam. That's it. It's been done. It's perfect. So now we need to remove the tape, and I will then do 200 laps on the strop and the hanging hair test. So I didn't take a right angle for the camera, I'm sorry about that. However, you can see that it's cutting perfectly well the hair. And now we'll go for a quick shave. Straight after, I couldn't resist, and I went for a 3-pass shave. So I like to do the first one in the way of the beard, then across, and finally it will be against the grain. So I had a very smooth shave. I'm happy that I gained back the perfect smooth edge I had at first, and it only took few minutes, like roughly 15 minutes. quickly on 2 stones. That was a really pleasant shave. The advantage of the slightly curved blade, also the smile, is in the neck. You can really make a difference. And the final one, under the nose against the grain. And for this you really need a very sharp edge, otherwise you have a risk of cutting yourself. Then after every shave I love to really dry the razors. I'm using toilet paper or other paper, and really everywhere, within the scales, in the on the blade, everywhere. I do not leave any chance for water staying there. And even after doing that, I'm using some oil on the blade. This one will be the Ballistol. It could be also camellia oil. And that's it. Bit of aftershave to finish the shave, and that's it. It was an amazing shave. Hope you liked the video. If so, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye now.